morning on New Year's Eve. Tomorrow is the first day of the 20s. We're back to the roaring 20s. Pretty cool. I have been asked to be a model for a makeup segment on the news this morning. One of my friends is a makeup artist, and she wanted someone who could be a model for a roaring 20s flapper era sort of makeup look. And so that is what I'm going to be doing. I got up super early this morning to get my hair done and get ready, and I'm going to be heading over to the makeup artist's house in just a little bit. So the first thing I have to do this morning is curl my hair. My hair is naturally super straight, but I'm going to use a 3-barrel waver. That's this curling iron with 3 rods that is going to give my hair kind of a wavy look, and that will allow me to kind of copycat the idea of a finger curl, which was really popular in the 1920s, without me having to do actual finger curls, because finger curls are not easy to do. So my shortcut is using the waver. So my hair is curled. I actually think it's super fun like this, but this hair is 80s fabulous. It is not flapper fabulous. So I am gonna put it up into a bun, and I'm gonna try to leave a lot of volume around the face to give it kind of that flapper look. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, I'm on my way. I am running a couple minutes late, so it's a good thing I don't have to do my own makeup, because that would have taken even longer. It is really cold, and I'm wearing a tiny dress and fishnets, so that's not cool. Welcome to Blaze and Brush's studio. We are getting all glam.
Welcome back, everyone. Start practicing your Charleston. Get all your glitter ready because there are a lot of 20s themed parties tonight to ring in 2020. And we have Jennifer Jones with us from Blades and Brushes Studio to talk all about the perfect look for that 20s party or just any New Year's Eve party.
Yeah, so we've got looks that will take you through Roaring 20s right to 2020.
Yes.
So we are going to start with our beautiful model here. So this is a great way to go. If you're going to any of these flapper themed 20s parties, it is going to be that alabaster skin. So us pale girls, this is your
our
look.
year.
This is our year. So we paired that with a very soft pink cheek, a blown out smoky eye, and then done the hallmark lip. So the hallmark lip for this is actually matting out the entire lip with a concealer, and then going in and then drawing almost like a little sweetheart. So the corners are still pale, and then the interior you have that like perfect, like it's almost
Cupid's
like a duck
bow.
face.
Yeah.
You know, they were doing the duck face before it was even a thing.
The originators of the duck face.
Right, exactly.
What a beautiful look too. Such
Isn't
a
it?
classic look. She's going to take all the pictures tonight.
She will be the star, Gatsby's
Absolutely.
girlfriend indeed.
Okay, but if you aren't going to a 20s theme
Yes.
party, you don't want to commit to the flapper look. You have some other ideas.
We do. So over here we have Naomi. So she is just giving us all sorts of Beyonce vibes here. So with her, we went with a beautiful gold smoky eye. So classic smoky eye, and then on the lid, we just pressed in a little bit of loose glitter to give that really nice little pop of sparkle, especially in the evening and when she toasts the New Year, she's gonna be looking fabulous.
Well, that was super fun. I hope you guys all have a great New Year's Eve, and I'll see you in 2020.